Welcome back to Car Gear. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Ford Mustang, a car that's not just about raw power anymore, but one that blends performance, technology, and design in a way that truly elevates the muscle car legacy. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Mustang keeps its aggressive stance, but Ford has sharpened the edges for a more modern and aerodynamic look. The front fascia is bold with a redesigned grille and sleeker LED headlights that give the car a more futuristic expression. The hood features deeper contours, and new functional air vents aid in cooling and downforce. Around the back, the signature tri-bar tail lamps return, now with a more dynamic animation, and a wider rear bumper complements the quad exhaust tips on the GT trim. There are several new color options this year, including Vapor Blue and Ember Red, plus optional black accent packages that give it a stealthy appeal. Inside, the Mustang has taken a massive leap forward. The cabin is now more refined and driver-focused. At the heart of the interior is a new digital cockpit. A massive 12.4-inch customizable digital gauge cluster flows seamlessly into a 13.2-inch touchscreen powered by Ford's latest Sync 4 system. The software is fast, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ford has also integrated physical toggle switches for key drive functions, giving it a bit of that fighter jet vibe. Quality-wise, materials feel premium, especially in higher trims. You'll find soft touch surfaces, optional leather-trimmed seats, and ambient lighting that changes with your drive mode. The Recaro performance seats are still available for enthusiasts who want maximum grip during aggressive driving. Performance-wise, the Mustang delivers exactly what fans expect: power and excitement. The 2025 model offers two main engine choices. The base EcoBoost 2.3-liter turbocharged inline-4 puts out an impressive 315 horsepower, while the GT comes with the legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8, now pushing up to 480 horsepower. And if that's not enough, the new Dark Horse model, aimed at track enthusiasts, takes things up to 500 horsepower with a performance-tuned version of the V8, upgraded cooling systems, and MagneRide suspension. Transmission options include a 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual for purists. On the road, the Mustang feels more planted thanks to chassis refinements, and it now includes an electronic drift brake, a first in this segment. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Mustang starts around $32,000 for the base EcoBoost Fastback, while the GT models begin in the mid-$40,000 range. The high-performance Dark Horse starts closer to $60,000 depending on options. For what it offers, raw muscle, high-end tech, and a bold new design, the pricing feels competitive, especially against European sports coupes. So, is the 2025 Ford Mustang still the king of the pony cars? In many ways, yes. It's no longer just about straight-line speed. This Mustang is smarter, sharper, and more driver-focused than ever before. If you're looking for a modern muscle car that delivers on-style, performance, and tech, the 2025 Mustang is definitely worth a test drive. Thanks for watching Car Gear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Catch you in the next one.